Hello and welcome to Inderes TV. Today I'm in the studio with Analyst Olli Vilppo to discuss Sitowise Group. Hello Olli.
Hi.
So in mid-January, Sitowise made quite a lot of changes to its management group. They appointed a new CEO, Anna Wäck, and Deputy CEO Jannis Mikkola, and as well also a new CTO, Mikko Korhonen. What is your impression of this? Why such big changes?
Yeah, it's obviously they are trying to change the direction. Good thing was that they made these internal recruits. Like Anna Wäck was leading the digital solutions segment, which has done pretty well. And also this Jannis Mikkola was head of the infra segment that has also done well. So these two segments, they appointed Anna Wäck as CEO and Jannis Mikkola as deputy CEO, and it's interesting combination from the new side, that is the digital, and Jannis Mikkola that has been in the Sitowise, like I don't remember, over 10 years, maybe 20.
Right.
And it's kind of the old side, like the technical consulting, where the Sitowise came from, and now they are combining this new and old. And also this new CTO appointment suggests that Sitowise is trying to focus on the AI capabilities, and we see that it's in this industry it's key to make your operations more efficient, and especially when Sitowise is strong in structural engineering. What I have understood, that with AI you can leverage this, and I like that with Sitowise they have this own like digi department, so it gives a good like solid ground to do this like internal AI development, because like the other company that I follow is Solvers, and they are like more organization that has like many companies, and they do just light integration, and with them it's not so easy to develop like group wide these kind of tools.
Yeah, so quite promising and interesting combination going forward here. Last time you mentioned that there is likely some announcements coming about impairments, and in December it happened. We saw an impairment recognized of approximately 40 million euros, which was related to the business in Sweden. What are your initial thoughts on that, or comments on that?
It was expected, so it didn't affect our view, and also the stock price didn't move much. So also the stock market was expecting it. So, but it was pretty big impairment, like 40 million from Sweden, and they had invested 60 million to Sweden with these acquisitions. So 2/3 was like wiped away. So it's like a big portion, but because we knew the problems already, so this was just like they concluded and they admit that it didn't go as planned. And now they will book it in the Q4 results, like this one-off item, but it doesn't affect the cash flow or anything. So
So I assume these news as such did not have a big effect on our forecasts.
No, but it like changes just the balance sheet numbers, and like if the investors are looking for this price to book, it used to be under 1, and now it's again over 1 because because they did the impairment.
We have been expecting the operations in Sweden to improve for some time now. Do you think that, or do you see any signs that this might happen this year?
Well, they have been talking that it should happen like next quarter.
Yeah.
It always like it has like delayed always. And now when I was looking the market players, everybody was saying that the real estate market is still tough in Sweden, and Sitowise has been like in the buildings in Sweden, so we don't expect it to improve like in Q4. But they have made the layoffs, and at some point it should be in better balance, the workers and the jobs they have, like the projects. So in 2026 we expect like a clear improvement, and it will be like very interesting what will be the guidance of Sitowise, because this year they didn't give any guidance,
right?
Because the visibility was so low, and in February we will see if they have the courage to give now a new guidance with the new management.
Yeah, if they give a guidance, I assume that would be a positive sign that they have more visibility into what's happening.
Yes, definitely, and we expect that the turnaround will happen next year. So the guidance should be that the revenue increases and also the EBITDA margin increases.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Olli. So Sitowise, interesting new management changes and hoping for guidance in connection with Q4 report. You can find out more about the company at inderes.se, where you can also follow it to get notifications of news. And you can also join our discussion forum and ask questions directly to Olli about the company.